Alright. Let me go get my tablet real quick. Yeah, we got, since we got inner tires, this is our second inner tires that we have sold. This is the second one, and then those are 170, and then we 170, and then we just get $20 for, I mean $20, 20 pesos for basically, because we charge 50 for the labor, so we give 30 to the guy and then 20 for us. So definitely good, because this past weekend we invested more money in it, so it's good to see. It's good to see it um, come a little more together, because yeah. Let me see where I got my tablet right here. Yeah, and then I got these. I have only sold one of these, and spark plugs. I got one of these left, so I need to get a couple extra spark plugs, but I think I'm gonna wait on that. And then oils. This one has been selling more. I got more this weekend, but I have to. I'm gonna wait a little bit.
Pila na lang yung ipabulkit ya.
Ipabulkit ako niya itong ibakan ako ngayong adlaw. Mangyapuslo para mangyapon.
Basing nahilaw ra.
Wala. Nahilaw yun ako. Pagkakuan ako. Tawa. Kuan natin dito sa pera.
Put my I have to get on my tablet so I can comment. If not, it won't do it. They already took it off. Oh yeah. They took the old one off. Oh, that one has a brake shoe in the front.
Lego.
This one has a brake shoe in the front. You see it? There's the brake shoe in the front. Mostly some they have like a disc brake. So now he's putting in the new one. Right there. Oh wait. Flip. Oh my god, trying to flip the camera. There you go.